Yeah. Simula na naman. Magandang umaga, kaibigan.
Gusto ko maging better person kasi habang nasa victory group, parang nakaharap ako sa isang malaking salamin na para makorek yung mga mali ko sa buhay at to have fellowship lang sa ibang believers din.
May paparating na bagong araw, pwede kang lamunin o pwede mong sabayan.
Sa victory group, we're helping each other and we're running the race together.
Huwag ka na magpahuli, kami ay sundan patungo sa liwanag, abutin ng tala. Pagkatapos pakita sa mundo, puso nagbabaga upang lahat ay mamulat. Sa aking susulat, parinig sa lahat ang aking ulat.
As I go along with my Christian walk, I have lots of fears, doubts, and apprehensions. So through this victory group, I can surpass all of this, and there will be somebody who can support me, who will help me grow and encourage me with my faith.
And they're here to encourage her.
In our marriage, we are in the season of preparation for something wonderful. And we are thankful for our victory group for praying with us and praying for us. And we're just thankful to the Lord.
Yeah, our victory group has always been a big blessing to us because we found instant friends with them. Not only we learn from their experiences, but we get to know how we can deal with things God's way, and we're just happy to be part of that victory group.
Our victory group is helping us with our marriage in approaching God.
Yeah.